Hello and welcome to this fourth week of the 35-day meditation challenge. Well done for coming this far. I'm really pleased for you. Thank you for joining me. Hope you're keeping your journal and building up your empirical evidence with what you're writing down. Really important stuff to get your head into what's happening inside of you rather than what's happening outside of you. It's really been proven scientifically that this is so important. If you don't realize that, you can watch my webinar and I go into that a little bit so you can see that. Today we're going to be looking at the vagus nerve. Whoa, the vagus nerve. Viva Las Vegas. But it's not like that. It is exciting when you start getting your body in the right position. But we're going to be looking at stimulating the vagus nerve so that you come out of this fight or flight syndrome, which is really the lower chakra stuff, that it's all mixed up energy, starting to open the body up so that you can feel that rest, digest, the sympathetic parasympathetic nervous state, where you're in rest, digest and heal and reproduce state, which is a wonderful place to be. So this is where we should be naturally as human beings, but with today's world we seem to be in a more stressed sympathetic nervous state. So we'll get straight into it. Firstly, we'll place our hands on our lap, straighten our back and just soften your face again. Do this quite quickly now. Down your shoulders, down your arms, just release everything, let your fingers go. Down your back, on your torso, let go of everything, including everything in your thoughts and your mind, just let them go. Okay, then open your eyes again. Just take your left hand up over the top of your head and bring your head down to your shoulder. You don't have to pull or yank, just naturally down. And your right hand, about 4 inches below your belly button, there's a little crease there. So you're making a C shape with your spine. Making a nice C shape. Now look up to the ceiling. You can either keep your eyes open or close them, but keep looking up to the ceiling. And we'll just take 10 breaths in this position. I'll guide you through the breaths. So breathe out. Breathe in. 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 Breathe out. And gently releasing. I know it's sometimes hard to keep the eyes looking up, but do your best. Keep focusing on your body. Now the other hand, the right hand over the top of the head. Remember, bring the head down to the shoulder, not the shoulder up to the head. Bring the other hand just underneath. So you're making a C shape with your spine, looking up at the ceiling, either keeping your eyes open or closed. So breathe out. Breathe in. 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 Breathe out. Gently releasing. Place your hands on your lap. Just take 3 nice deep breaths together, breathing in into your abdomen, let it come up like a balloon, hold it there. And then breathe out. Hold it there. Breathe in. Hold it there. Breathe out. Hold it there. Breathe in. Hold it there. Breathe out. Hold it there. Breathe in. Hold it there. Now leaning forward, breathing out through our teeth. Slowly coming back up. Opening your eyes. How'd you feel? Feel better? Good. Rubbing your palms together. Don't forget to write down on your journal with your pen any experiences you had during that, whether you could keep focusing on the breath, whether your eyes kept coming down, whatever. Just keep focusing on it. Try to get it better each day. Clapping your hands 10 times. I'm sure that was 10. Rubbing your palms, get some heat in your hands, and then sweeping energetically your face. Oh, I feel better. More refreshed. Down your arms, down your body. So we're doing 35 days here. This is the 4th week. Keep going every day, and then go to the 5th week, and then see how you feel. Really write down your empirical evidence. It's really important. Let me know in the comments how you're getting on. I'm really interested to hear how this is affecting you, whether you're getting any revelations, yeah, or any aha moments, which I used to get when I first started meditating, is those aha moments. My goodness me, look what's happened to me. Look how this has changed. So you're starting to really focus on yourself intelligently rather than intellectually. That's really a big way of looking at it. If your intellect is cutting, intelligently is actually you, your inherent intelligence. Your brain and your whole system is inherently intelligent, which is why you're still here. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Sarang Hamida.